Hey guys, in this video today show you how to fix menu is not available right now. See your problem here. Okay, let's start. Don't skip this video. First open your phone setting and follow my step properly. Now click app option. Now click storage and click clear cache. Make sure all permission allow. Go to Play Store and check update Facebook. My Facebook app already updated, so let's open. By the way, you can easily solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.